Hey guys, in tonight's episode, lamb chops on the Blackstone Griddle. So while the griddle is heating up, let me show you what I did. Some nights I want to keep it simple, so tonight we only have 2 ingredients. You have 6 lamb chops, and I'm gonna go ahead and saute some green beans as well. As far as the seasoning goes with the lamb chops, I used a little bit of olive oil on both sides, and I sprinkled some adobo. The green beans, same thing. I drizzled some olive oil. I used some garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and some Italian seasoning. All right, guys, that grill is definitely getting hot. I'll go ahead and put the food on. All right, guys, I am flying solo tonight. I don't have anybody recording for me, so I'm holding the camera with one hand and cooking with the other, so I apologize if some of the video is shaky. But let me know in the comments, do you like this style? Do you like, it's kind of like a point of view, vlog style way of going about it? Let me know, because I'm kind of experimenting with what people would like to see, and so I would love to hear about it in the comments. I also would love to hear in the comments what you're cooking up on the Blackstone. What are your favorite seasonings? What are your favorite recipes? And start a conversation with me. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. If any of you have a good recommendation for a thermometer, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm gonna probably go ahead and purchase one soon. These green beans are almost done. I mean, some people like them a little bit more firm. Some people like them a little like softer. So I guess it depends on how you like it. I can see already though, they have a nice char on them and they are pretty tender looking. So give it another minute or so. We'll see how it goes. So while these are cooking, I give you a little bit of a backstory on me. I'm just a busy dad who is tired of purchasing takeout all the time and being lazy, and I do like to cook. I just kind of make excuses a lot of times not to. So I decided to invest in the griddle, which I've wanted for a long time. And now that I've got it, I've been using it. I've been really enjoying it. I can't wait to try out all the different recipes I have in my head, and you know, basically make this more of a habit going forward. And like I was saying earlier, some of these recipes, I just want to keep them pretty simple. Here you can see there's 2 ingredients, the lamb and the green beans. I'm actually making some rice as well, but you know, you could go ahead and make a salad, maybe some other type of side that you like. Also, let me know what type of recipes you're looking for me to go ahead and create on here. I'm always looking for ideas. I know what I want to do, but I'd love to hear from you what you would like to see me cook. Now, one thing also, I just remembered, this is the second time I've done it. It's probably because I'm recording and cooking at the same time. I didn't put any olive oil down on both sides. The only thing that saved me is that the green beans and the lamb chops were coated in olive oil. So you can see here there's a lot of grease, so not a big deal. I've done that a couple of times. Maybe it's probably not a bad idea to cut some of the oil out. I use avocado oil for the most part and olive oil. However, I do have an order of bacon up on its way. So I'm curious to see how that makes the flavor, changes the flavor of the foods. All right, guys, those green beans are done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the heat. I'll leave them on the grill so they stay warm. So I'm just going to slide them over just a little bit because there hasn't been anything cooking too much on this side. That'll give it a little more heat, basically. I don't know if you can see that sizzle. As soon as I move it over, there's a little bit more of a sizzle. Hey guys, if you want to see what I'm cooking up next, I'll see you in the next video.